This is the greatest music. There were 50 black men who were working under the whip and the gun, and they had the soul to make the most wonderful song I'd ever heard. And they had not only that, but scores more.
My papa went a hunting for Grizzly bear. He's down a hunting on the desert for Grizzly bear. He was a living one morning. Grizzly bear. I heard him singing in the corner. Grizzly bear. Oh, Grizzly. Grizzly bear. Oh, Lord have mercy. Grizzly bear.
Tonight, we are going to witness the most anticipated match in the history of the world. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
Yeah. OG on the premises, my life was never slow-mo. OT was the genesis, my pockets love the cocoa. Any dirt I did, done it dolo. Pump a dolo, for every 4 I cop, the plug fronted FOMO. And did it all for the polo. Hot chocolate shorty told me drop some marshmallows off in a cocoa. See, my swerve earned a reputation, cause can't no nigga say I burnt them or ever say I ain't pay him. You wonder what my flow like? Go look in the lobby. What the blow like? Cook in your face like cooking a bocce. I'm 10 toes down, my 2 steps legendary. My footwork Sammy Davis, you cannot afraid to stand me. I was in a guapo top but didn't trust the mule. But I know where his bitch working when she take those dusty kids to school. It ain't the same game, it's different rules. Details never minuscule, it's codes I'm sticking to smoky as principles. All my OGs hypocritical. All they do is meditate with pistols and find plugs on Gorilla Glue. Fuck if your men is cool, cause when a ship spring a leak, it's always side niggas who feel they didn't get his due. 3380 bout big as a 45. Had me doing 65 or 95 on New Jersey drives. You might have heard we live. You might have heard the price went down cause the new shit we dumping. You might have heard we ride. But I know different, I'm no dimwit. Don't matter how I get this shit, the ticket's no different. I drive a hard line cause it's a risky business. Niggas skate when you ain't looking like Winter Olympics. But my product got a rep, don't gotta ask if you want it. I cop Amigo with a Southside tat with a stomach. Elite class of my own, I risk my balls for this damn bread. There's no room on this couch, bitch, part of my man spread.
What's wrong with the deal? Nobody else ever had a deal like that. You run through the deal and I'll tell you what's wrong with it. We give you the franchise. You don't give me anything, did you? I got it. This is our backyard. From now on, you stay in yours. How does one kill a man? It's one thing to dream about it. Very different when you have to do it.
Let's go.
With your own hands.
Grown men over here, you little pipsqueak. You a bird with a yellow back and a bitch beak. Ain't shit changed, still wear the same polo outfit for a week. I don't care who walk in, I still won't speak. This is high obnoxiousness. I'm in my own zone, intoxicants, high occupants. I'm high tolerance, your optics witnessing opulence. I'm high maintenance, hard knock school, high scholarship, higher consciousness. Anunnaki shit, frying that apocalypse. You can smell through the duffel before you cop the shit. My connects power strips that I keep plugged with. They ain't fam, just some people that I keep up with. You ain't on the type of time that I keep up with. My phone got long legs, I'm hard to keep up with. I float through in the ark after I bring in the flood. I'll put you on or put you out with one swing of my glove. In other words, if you my nigga, I can give you that love. I get your face placed on the wall in memory of. Old plugs used to pay me in drugs, but now it's all about the money or I take it in blood. We'll take a half and make a whole. Next straight then gold. 5-star generals who break the mold. Dollar bills printed on ancient scrolls. Manifest power to break your soul. You made us take control. We'll take a half and make a whole. Next straight then gold. 5-star generals who break the mold. Dollar bills printed on ancient scrolls. Manifest power to break your soul. You made us take control.
Color Clark, connoisseur, carnivore, carving your corpse. Snort abuser, shoot Rugers at your source. The poor
Porsche torque, selling the horse with no remorse. Extort those that don't endorse, sell whores, we kill for sport. Like Dr. Lecter, the Timbs catch up with the leopard. Coke measure endeavors, the damier is checkered. Culture shepherds leading the people right past my records. Back to Mecca, resurrect styles until I'm next up. Octopus ink in my pen, cock and bust, seeking revenge. Cops is cunts, we don't befriend, we don't pretend. Acting ain't my forte, pull the yay out of titties. Ha! I'm really in the foreplay, the forebang, leaving you hurt like divorcees. On the fourth day, they'll find your body in a cold lake. Cold game, give you the chills. Ice grill with ice grills. Let me introduce you to how knives feel. I spill blood for the sacrifice. It magnifies what genocide defines in the afterlife. Blast a guy for half a slice of the devil's pie. This rebel mind pull a 9 on these fuckers trying to peddle swan.
We'll take a half and make a whole. Next draped in gold. 5-star generals who break the mold. Dollar bills printed on ancient scrolls. Manifest power to break your soul. You made us take control. We'll take a half and make a whole. Next draped in gold. 5-star generals who break the mold. Dollar bills printed on ancient scrolls. Manifest power to break your soul. You made us take control.
What's good, yo? I gotta tell you about this nigga E, man. Like E is always the businessman, the entrepreneur. You know what I mean? Like he gonna see where you can make a dollar, where you know, where other niggas can't. He was always going to do something to make some bread, you know what I mean? Like homecoming wasn't coming without this nigga doing something, you know what I'm saying? So
wherever a dollar could be made, then I'ma make it. Big risk, big reward. It take big balls to take it. I'm not a gamer, but if it's game to be played, then I'ma play it. I'll sell it whole, but the value's in the breakdown. If you patient, gotta be patient with this shit, nigga.
This nigga would get like a pound and a half, or like 2 pounds of green, and would break the weed, break it all the way down into nicks, dimes, and quarters. Do you know how many nicks, dimes, and quarters that is?
Homecoming mean it's dough coming. I stayed up all night, bagged up 32 whole onions. My stroke's different. Over Jackson's I go drumming. It's always fun when the bear got the gun and they go hunting. I'm gonna get it.
And he always put it in a book bag, in a big ass book bag. So we walking through the yard. He the only nigga out here with a book bag on, like he going to class. You know what I'm saying? This nigga done broke down and sold 5s and 10s and 20s all through the yard.
Yo. Aqua in the past, drumming that pain up. I'm on rosé, prosecco, numbing my brain up. Thinking back to 12 years old, cooking cocaine up. My uncle counted profits before it dried and weighed up. I learned don't count chickens before the shells break up. Any day a raid or a robbery could be how you wake up. So I'm still the same nigga, I never changed up. Moved out to Cali and I still kept my same guns. It started when niggas was smoking cane blunts. Ghetto boys could be Larry Johnson or Larry Davis. See, criminal behaviors made us famous. Now cops calling us by names while they chase us. They try to maim then arraign us, but I grew up in the jungle fighting lions and hyenas. So why get high as giraffe anus? Snatch the rings from Uranus just to rock them on my fingers. I struggle with my inner self. I don't know whether to give you love or bring you hell. Kill you or wish you health. Give you the pain I wish you felt, but I can't give you the name that you wish you held. I told my nigga Shine the Shottie, I got 10 places they'll never find the body. This is my life, this ain't a hobby. Yeah. Doing the work of the godly. While y'all YGs was running around careless, I was around OGs, learning how to be fearless. They said the niggas ain't like us, dog, we peerless. Hear this, make sure the whole club hear this. Shit, respect is
is a motherfucker. I went harder cause bitches disrespected a motherfucker. Now I can persuade that bitch mother to fuck you. Rockin' unbrushed suede, purple label not tucked in. Trade 5-7, flush hammer not tucked in. Most of my custies jack boys and I do not trust them. Ain't no in the middle, my nigga, stand for something. It's either love my nigga or motherfuck them. I never wanted shit this way, not for nothing, but I take what I can get and be thankful I'm getting something. It look like it's your first time double dutching. You won't get off a shot with all that double clutching. I struggle with my inner self. I don't know whether to give you love or bring you hell. Kill you or wish you health. Give you the pain I wish you felt, but I can't give you the name that you wish you held. I told my nigga Shine and Shottie, I got 10 places they'll never find the body. This is my life, this ain't a hobby. Doing the work of the godly. Yo. I got a bag full of crushed powder mansions, shaking flakes down like it's dandruff. The goal's now expansion, my focus so global. Rogue General, Edie, I mean, outlaws bow down. I'm a young noble, move with hellfire in my waistline. We all got a date with death, I used to chase mine. Transported guns to Freakness, cross state lines. 4 niggas and enough ammo for a hate crime. Fuck nerd chicks and ratchet hoes at the same time. Put my pistol in both they pussies, Deep Space Nine. Want me to make you holler? Shake my grapevine. Wanna make $1? Get this shit past the K9s. I show improve sometimes, to come up take time. But I was on your ass soon as the doc spanked mine. Look up at me when I'm talking, nigga, FaceTime. I'm Scottie Pippen, you and on the baseline, nigga, what? We spent our life on the come up. Make you think twice but act once when a gun's up. First pack of a crack, man, I fucked up. But when I got it back, the first stack had me Lovestruck.
Death before dishonor when we carry llamas. Wiping down the bullets so they can't charge us. I said we eating through the seasons, got the big chompers. I'm at the peak, bout the fish, got the D's offers. Saw legal, went from making deals in the Regal. Straight dealing these darts, ghost face with eagles. Hanging off the wrist, Sonny's in the mix. Seen him work his way up from a quarter to a brick. Seen him cool, calm, collect while we was in Elix. Bitch with bricks, we could see the D's taking flicks. We would only move through the darkness in the mist. Coldest kicks, we soldiers kid amongst men. Illest in the field, stepping foot in the compound. We well-rounded, get ready for countdown. You a few rounds in, I can chill with the top down. You pussies hounding, turn ghost when I pop out.
We spent our life on the come up. Make you think twice but act once when a gun's up. First pack of a crack, man, I fucked up. But when I got it back, the first stack had me Lovestruck. Nigga,
what the fuck you thought it was, man? What the fuck you thought it really was, though, man? Let's go, yeah.
Match we've ever seen in the slapping tournaments. In fact, across all of slapping athletics, for as far back as the videos go, we've never even seen blood drawn at one of these events. Like this man splits his whole fucking nose.
Innocence of our youth, we lost that back when we started off in packs. The cops kicks and pinstripe starter caps. I used to wash clothes and that's why I work at the laundromats. And the Tide box in the floor where you change dollars for quarters at. Just bring me back my part of that, all intact, all of that. Quarter packs get quarterback and don't make me call you back. Cause I don't like to worry, my nigga. Last nigga took long coming back, I had to bury my nigga. So just help me get this quarterback, I'll throw that back. Walmart prices, roll that back. Black Friday, TV, holo nat. They fighting out the doors with it. Billie Jean, lighting up the floor with it. Lights a beach, moonwalk up the shore with it. You window shopping the copping, nigga, which is it? Point at it, you could get it. I point at you, you gon' get it. I had to go and get it, ain't nobody hand me shit. But some hard times and some good numbers on these packages, nigga. However you want it, you can get it, my nigga. Yeah, however you on it, then I'm with it, my nigga. What color powder you want? White or black, my nigga. The white for your nose, the black for the Mac, my nigga. Yeah, however you want it, you can get it, my nigga. However you on it, then I'm with it, my nigga. I'm prescribing like an MD, nigga.
in the street, making mistakes and stupid moves before you could learn about it on TV or YouTube. Out here without a tool, nigga, you screwed. It's natural selection. If the bear hungry, you fool. My network's my network, you gotta respect it. It's hard to stay grounded with this many plugs. I'm that connected. Whether a problem or a skirt, nigga, I'll address it. I'll turn a mountain to a molehill. That's how I compress it, nigga. With my bare hands, it's how I protect it. Smack your soul into the ether, nigga, astral projected. You getting boxed out position, make you rework that footing. Round here, players get rewarded for the work they put in. How you got tools and don't put in work, you bookman? How was good times if the fiends don't like that work you cooking, nigga? I felt the pull that made me turn to pushing. I grind between that rock and a hard place till it turned to cushion, nigga. However you want it, you can get it, my nigga. Yeah. However you on it, then I'm with it, my nigga. What color powder you want? White or black, my nigga. The white for your nose, the black for the Mac, my nigga. Yeah. However you want it, you can get it, my nigga. However you on it, then I'm with it, my nigga. I'm prescribing like an MD, nigga, and I'm outside till I'm empty, nigga, and we deliver, yeah.
It was a big slap and his entire face is red. I half expected his eye to pop out of his socket. It was nuts. And this guy takes it like a champ. They shake hands, all's good, and you can see on the other guy's face he feels really bad about unleashing 90% of his power, and goddamn, that was devastating.
If you wasn't selling fish sandwiches or throwing a party at homecoming, you was not making more money than this nigga, you know what I'm saying? Nigga working around with a book bag, and I mean, he's acting like it's cool, like he out here selling t-shirts, like he a vendor or something, like, homecoming is E, holla at your man, I got what you need.
For the bread, we pop cans and squeeze biscuits. We don't snake, but for food, the boys, we constrict shit. Pop up shops out the trunk, tell your friends where to get it. That's how a soldier master those peas. It's no limit, ain't no limit to this shit, nigga, you know what I'm saying?
Like the average nigga go through homecoming and have some money in their pocket. By the time they get to their car, they broke. You know what I'm saying? This nigga got a car payment in his car. You know what I'm saying? Like, he's the only nigga I ever seen do this in my life.
So low key, got more tricks than low key. Couple minutes, couple sales, I vanished a couple OZs. And I ain't got 3.5s, I got 2.5s. Cause it's a drought outside and I'm charging 45, motherfucker.
Who in the fuck do you know breaks down whole pounds to $5 and $10 bags but this nigga? Do you know how much money this nigga made? I mean, just imagine this shit. Like, I ain't never seen no shit like that before, man. Like, this nigga's crazy, man. He gonna find a way to make $1, my nigga. Believe me, he's awesome.
Out like animal skin. It's alligators in these waters that you paddling in. So you best not rock the boat that you traveling in. I'll put on my war paint, hop in the saddle again, and spit a razor, shape a snake belt out of your skin, and let that pipe loose, and let that metal rattle again. Before I let you crabs pull me back in that barrel again. I'm from a trap full of savages and dope deals. They cook crack in the morning like it was oatmeal, blowing backs in the morning like there was boat sales, shooting niggas packs off of a broke scale. Ratchet hoes pregnant and smoke stale, and they fuck still. Cash at $40, done deal. What you won't move, someone will. But when shit won't move at all, the real test of someone's will. That stagnation can get someone killed. Shit, even the top of the food chain became someone's meal. So the force stay poking out like Formula One wheels. Papa Bear coming home to put his fork in his meal, nigga. Come to our world where we got different rules. We put in work but we got different tools. It's only win or lose. Can't get a rep of what you didn't do. Cause if the jacket don't match, you can't fit the shoes. Come to our world where we got different rules. We put in work but we got different tools. It's only win or lose. Can't get a rep of what you didn't do. Cause if the jacket don't match, you can't fit the shoes.
Meet the winner. I need a spinner. Leg swinging like chopper propellers, lift her wings up. Fly, she show me titty love. That
pussy grip like a snub. Snow in her face, that's a ski mask. Sex revamp, I flex and rehash. Roll the gas, mix the hash, smoke out the bubble bath. I spark the candle lights, but it's your birthday, so let's blow them out. Let's show out, show me what you bout. When no one's around, baby, this ain't for clout. Let's play house, fly dreams, my eyes lean. I'm thinking forward moments, my gun loaded. For niggas talk my pretty lotus. Busy boasting by how I paved the road in. I placed every brick in that building. Niggas was chosen, I'm golden. My pen flex, a Midas index. Had to trim a couple niggas off the set. You still fam, no? Don't worry, I'm still gon' rap. And all that funny shit y'all niggas doing, it's only cause you want some movement. Every wave sees its day. You don't gotta downplay or throw shade. Stop scrunching your face. Pick your head up, get your rep up. Get back to your old self. My Major League of Nations, that Woodrow shelf. I run that slime, I took your belt. Now all the seeds I plan to get felt. That cold glare stare when the shells start to melt. Turn niggas to Mexican melts. It's Wavo Phelps. All y'all niggas needed my help. It's Wavo.
Yo. Pop another bottle of sec, cause in a couple of secs, my plan to be all up in mommy neck. And this the kind of shit that come with success. Freedom or death, it's a heavy price we pay to stay dope boy fresh. Move weight by the rep, short rest follow my set. I throw some more weight on the scale, I feel it all in my chest. I knock the feathers off your G, you best acknowledge a vet. I got niggas for you nigga, I earned all of my rep. See I came from stolen cars and hoagies, now it's polo bears and stogies. Peep the growth, motherfucker of a damn G. Catch me, copper apes, a white widow and kush pre-rolls out in damn creek. That's Amsterdam for those who ain't really jump off the porch yet. I pull heartstrings, game tighter than the corset. Drunk off the power, but I ain't swerve off course yet. Took a lot of L's, but move like I ain't took a loss yet.
The champagne hit different in the winner's circle. These campaigns ain't political, these men will hurt you. When things get critical, who you gon' turn to? We all wanna live, who really deserve to? The champagne hit different in the winner's circle. These campaigns ain't political, these men will hurt you. When things get critical, who you gon' turn to? We all wanna live, who really deserve to?
Crack another eighth of that space, blow a J to the face. Cloud 99 is how I float in the place. In the spot with no search, murder all of my waist. Ballin' with race, this is trap privilege all in your face. My first sip of the bubbly made me starve for the taste. Used to hustle for beer money, now we talking about ace. I grew some wide shoulders, I'm just carving my space. We only talk about boxes, we ain't talk about ace. So as long as there's cops, I cop lawyers. But to get it all, nigga, I'm all for it. Dressed in all orange. I only fuck chicks when I'm overseas, nigga. All my sex is all foreign. Niggas say I changed, they saying I'm on some new shit. Y'all playing sidewalk food in France way better than Ruth Chris. Y'all niggas would know if you really do this shit. I pray y'all niggas get to do this shit.
The champagne hit different in the winner's circle. These campaigns ain't political.